if you find that your Dualtron Mini screws tire change is giving you any problems, what you have to do is just heat up the screws because they're covered in Loctite, which is a glue. Loctite. Basically, this is what we're using now. It's a nice little flame with lock. And just go in and heat up the screw. For about 30 seconds. Okay, let it go now. Now that screw was impossible to move, and now it's just coming up. WD-40 makes things even better. Be careful, don't touch that screw because it's hot. That's it. Good luck.